a pool instead of a skirt? Burn sausages on a grill? Protect yourself from mosquitoes and charge phones with a hat. Watch fun picnic pranks and life hacks for your friends in our new video. What a boring summer! I wish I could go on a picnic with my friends. Why not? I just need to get everyone together. Polly, are you bored at home? How about a picnic? Get ready! Polly quickly packs her picnic bag. Come on, let's have fun! Harry! Cindy, enough working at your office. Let's go on a picnic. Mission complete. Forget all about work. Let's relax. All the friends are finally together. Hey, Phil, look! Hey, Phil, check it out! Hey, Phil, want a hot dog? Take the hot dog and lettuce with ketchup out of a hot dog bun. Put in fresh lettuce and a long balloon that looks like a hot dog. Pour mustard on top. I love hot dogs! Whoops! My hot dog blew up right in my hands! Hey, Phil, what happened to your face? Go wash up! Harry, want a sandwich? Did your phone die while you were on a picnic? No big deal! You can charge it from our hat with a portable solar battery. Attach double-sided foam tape to a hat. And fasten a solar-powered battery to it. Sew the cord of the battery to the cap. Attach a wire hook to the back. Hang the cord on it. Wear a hat and charge your phone. Thanks to her charger, Polly got very popular. All the guys are following her. They won't leave her alone for a second. Because Polly is full of energy. That's it! My phone is charged. It's so hot! We are gonna melt! I need to cool off right now! Harry came up with a great way out. Use water from a hose. That's so nice! Hey, stop! Don't even think about it! Where would you get water and a hose outdoors? I have a better idea! I prepared an icy surprise! Put different cans of soda in a big box. Pour in water and freeze it. Phil brought his little iceberg to our picnic, and now he can cool all our soda. Phil, that's a great life hack. Thanks for these cold drinks on such a hot day. Flies want to have fun at our picnic, too, but I'm not sharing our food with them. Polly wore tights to our picnic. Oh no! Oh yeah, Polly! Thanks! Nylon tights are a great way to protect food from bugs. Just pull them onto the plates with food. What's that? A new yo-yo? This is a highly effective fly repellent system, and it works! Phil, wanna play? Badminton? Ball? How about this one? Jump rope? Harry is so annoying. Do you want a fun game? Hold my Frisbee. This will be so much fun, no doubt. Harry, catch! Mix white glue with acrylic paint. Put the mixture in a Frisbee. Ew! What's this? Did the Frisbee melt in the sun? That's terrible! Cindy, hand me a Coke. Sure! Cindy gets sunburnt very fast. This way, Cindy is fully protected from the sun. I'm not afraid of sunburn. You can get your own Coke. I'm not going out till winter. Getting the grill ready is an important mission, but Harry is obviously failing. Should I try fanning the coal? No! What if I use my sneaker? Ouch! I almost grilled it! It seems like you just need to add more coal. Phil, throw me some coal! Wow! Thanks, friend! You really helped me out! Cindy, this is for you! Polly also likes Harry. And she already came up with a prank. Let's attach the blanket to Cindy's pants. Great! Okay, I'm leaving, lovebirds. Cindy, let's go play badminton. Whoops! All the food goes along with Cindy. How embarrassing! Our hot dogs are ready. Would you like some mustard? No, ketchup. Are you crazy? You can only eat a hot dog with mustard. And I say only ketchup. This fight has lasted for centuries, and only a duel can stop it. Defend yourself and get your weapon ready. Coat a water gun container with acrylic paint. Pour ketchup inside and close the water gun. Pour mustard in another water gun. Attach stickers with labels. My gun is loaded with mustard, and my ketchup is red like your blood. This is a fight for the honor of hot dogs everywhere. Phew, this duel is so tiring. Oh, hot dogs! Mayonnaise is the best for hot dogs. Huh? We have grilled sausages for lunch. Harry, when is the food coming? A picnic with no food is the saddest thing ever. That's it! The food is ready! Let's see! Oh no! Our sausages turned into coal! We can't save them! Bye-bye, delicious lunch! Guys, I'm gonna fix it! Here's some pizza! This is better than burnt sausages! Phil, let's go! We have pizza, but no plates. What should we do? Take out my knife. Cindy cuts the pizza along with the box. And here are plates. But Phil didn't get it, and he eats his pizza with cardboard. Being outdoors is nice, but there are a lot of mosquitoes. Oh no! A mosquito bit my lip! The mosquito bite hurts so bad, but we know a tried and tested life hack. Apply toothpaste to the bite. Let's try it. It actually works. I feel better. But Phil doesn't stop here. He covered his whole body with toothpaste. So what? The important thing is the life hack works. Outdoor games can be unpredictable. The ball is in the forest. I'll get it! Whoops! My skirt! What do I do? Phil, I'll borrow your pool. Take a torn inflatable pool. Trace a big tray on the hole using a marker. Cut out a hole. Polly came up with a new outdoorsy fashion trend. Wow. A pool skirt. Now you can drink from your skirt, too. What a creative idea! Polly, could you please bring me a drink? It's so hot in here. I'll prepare a wet prank while she's away. These hidden gloves with water will freshen her up. Here's your drink. Oh, why is it so wet? Am I sitting in a puddle? This is so embarrassing. I see. It's a wet prank from Cindy. Did you like our picnic pranks and life hacks? Then comment below which ones you'd use. Would you make a pool skirt, have a ketchup versus mustard war, or cover your whole body with toothpaste? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss new pranks and life hacks for you and your friends from Troom.